Imagine discovering that your company's entire employee database has been stolen, not through sophisticated malware, but through a simple text input field on your website. This nightmare scenario is exactly what LDAP injection makes possible, and it's happening more often than you might think. Picture LDAP as a massive digital phone book that organizations use to store and organize information about users, computers, and network resources. But just like a physical phone book can be misused if it falls into the wrong hands, LDAP can be exploited by crafty attackers. Here's how it works. When you log into a system, it typically checks your credentials against this LDAP directory. But if the system doesn't properly sanitize the input fields, attackers can inject malicious commands that trick LDAP into revealing sensitive information or granting unauthorized access. Think of it like a security guard who's been trained to only accept employee ID cards. An LDAP injection is like showing the guard a fake ID that's so convincing, it makes them not only let you in but also hand over the keys to every room in the building. Attackers might use special characters like asterisks, parentheses, or ampersands in login fields to manipulate LDAP queries. For example, adding an asterisk in the right place could return all user records instead of just one, essentially giving attackers a master key to your digital kingdom. The consequences can be devastating. Attackers can bypass authentication, extract sensitive data, modify directory information, or even gain administrative privileges. It's like giving them unlimited access to your organization's digital filing cabinet. But there's good news. LDAP injection attacks are preventable. Strong input validation is your first line of defense. Always sanitize user inputs by removing or escaping special characters. Use parameterized queries instead of directly concatenating user input into LDAP queries. Implement the principle of least privilege. Only give users and applications the minimum access they need. Regular security audits can help identify vulnerable entry points before attackers do. And don't forget to keep your LDAP server software updated with the latest security patches. Remember, LDAP injection isn't just a technical problem, it's a business risk that could cost millions in damages and lost trust. By understanding how these attacks work and implementing proper defenses, you can protect your organization from becoming the next victim of this sneaky but dangerous vulnerability.